Now is a good time to start shopping for your business. My name is Bruce Rule. I'm a writer and an editor, and I teach public speaking as well. And I help my clients more effectively communicate their messages to their customers, to their clients. And I've recently written a book called Heartfelt Goodbye, How to Write and Deliver the Eulogy Your Loved One Deserves. And it's the time of the year when you start thinking about the end of the year holidays, you start thinking about doing some shopping, holiday shopping or whatever. But it's also should be the time of the year you start to think about what your business needs as far as supplies or anything else that you can buy before the end of the year so you can use it for a tax deduction against your income this year. Now, I'm not a tax expert, and this is something you have to talk to your accountant to make sure whatever you buy is actually tax deductible. But what I do is I always go through my office supplies and I bulk up on my printer cartridges, my envelopes, paper, things like that that I know I'm going to be using in 2024, and I make sure I buy them before the end of the year so I can count it against this year's income. And it makes a difference. It really does, if you do that. And the other thing that I do is I look at reference materials. Do I need to pick up brand new style books or anything like that that will help my business? I buy those. I also look at learning courses, education. If you really need some education on something to do with your industry, maybe a certification or something like that, think about doing it before the end of the year so you can mark it off on this year's tax income against this year's income on this year's taxes. The other thing that I always like to do at the end of the year is I always look between now and the end of the year and I look at certain professional organizations that I think I might want to join again so I can take the dues and put it against this year's income. It helps my taxes again this year. So you really want to have some end of the year planning on your shopping because it really makes a difference when you can do the deductions, cut your taxable income, because we can all use a little extra money at the holidays. And I know it feels like you want to be spending that money just for holiday shopping, gifts for family, and things like that. But you really ought to be shopping for your business as well. Do you do that? Do you have any tips on how you handle the end of the year shopping for your business? I'd really appreciate it if you could share it with me. Comment down below. Like and share this video so everybody finds out about this and really considers it. And remember, some of the stuff is very basic. You could do envelopes. You could do printer cartridges. I just ordered some printer cartridges because I know I'm going to be using them next year. These are things you're going to need. You might as well buy them before the end of the year. Take care of some holiday sales, And please subscribe because YouTube likes it. I really appreciate it if you do it. And I'm going to make this one short because it is the holiday weekend. I'm sure everybody's got other things to do. But until next week, take care.